innovate and simplify is Be Construtivo. We work to generate profitable business with trust and durable relationships, thus offering a competitive advantage. We want to be your reference in the application of technology on the engineering market, with an exclusive focus on your results to foster true digital transformation in your business. We were born within the cloud computing universe, and we sell all of our solutions in the software as a service model. Since 2000, as a joint venture of Santander Group, in 2004 we went through a management buyout process and became a national company. From then on, with headquarters in Sao Paulo and a branch in Porto Alegre, we provide engineering management solutions for markets such as infrastructure, energy, real estate, and retail. With over 100,000 users served in a fully redundant network with international security standards, we operate in the largest infrastructure projects in the country. When we take on a project, our main objective is to understand and apply our products and services in the 5 key transformation areas: customers, competition, data, innovation, and value. Although we are a technology company, our team is made up of engineers, architects, and technicians. We make a point of knowing in depth the engineering and needs of our customers. This business posture facilitates communication, shortens deadlines, and increases the quality of our delivery. These are fundamental points for the implementation of projects in BIM. To support our strategy, we have the Construtivo, which is a cloud collaboration platform from Construtivo for the management of documents, processes, and information. The platform connects with other solutions to promote the digital transformation of companies and support BIM initiatives, which are promoted through 4 pillars: BIM strategic consulting, common data environment, point cloud associated with BIM processes, management of issues, models, and 2D files. The Construtivo platform ecosystem has numerous market players to ensure the greatest capacity for BIM integration in our clients' projects. Construtivo supported clients with document management solutions, contracts, inspection, and supervision in large projects throughout Brazil.